Hey guys, today I'm giving away this YoYoFactory Blade 2 prototype in pink. It's in perfect condition. I've played it a few times, but I just thought it'd be cool to give something away. So this is what I'm gonna give away. It's pretty much brand new. All you gotta do to enter the contest, comment on this video, and subscribe to my channel. The way we're gonna pick, I'm just gonna use a random number generator. So how that works, the first number is gonna be the first comment on the video, up to the last comment when I end the contest. Which I'm thinking is going to be a week from today. I'll post the date that it's going to end in the description of this video. Aside from that, just a little update on my channel. I'm going to be posting 2 tutorials a week, maybe more if I have time. And aside from that, I'll be doing some unboxings whenever I get new yo-yos in, and thereafter I'll be doing reviews once I get to play them for a few days and see how they are. I might do a review for this one drop top deck because I really like it. If you don't know, I quit yo-yoing a few years ago and just got back into it, and this is the first new one I picked up. I'm not sure how old it is though, so maybe it's kind of pointless to do one by now, but we'll see about that. And just wanted to say thanks for anyone who's been watching, and please subscribe if you enjoy them, and hopefully you're learning from them. And if you have a trick you'd like to learn that there isn't a tutorial for out there, please send me a link to the video and timestamp of the trick, and I'll do my best to learn it and teach it for you if I can. So yeah, other than that, just stay tuned. I will be posting the winner in a week from now, and also I will message you just in case you don't see the video.